Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south-central Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, Northern Jackson County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, Franklin County in south-central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Centralia to near Willisville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Centralia to near Willisville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include
roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon,
West Frankfort.
These storms have a history of widespread wind damage. The following is
Christopher, Grand Lake area, Center, Ziegler, Royalton,
Wayne City, likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Valier, West City, and Ava.
Include Mount Vernon,
This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between
McLeansboro, Christopher, Grand Lake area, Center, Ziegler, Royalton, Wayne City, Elkville, Woodlawn, Blueford, Sheeran, Valier, West City, and Ava.
Until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, Jackson, and Perry.
105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 116.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Illinois area. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely until midnight.